Hello, and welcome to this short video about a great new capability that we are introducing for Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. It's called Engagement Insights. So we'll spend just a few minutes talking about the business problems that we're solving with Engagement Insights capability. We'll do a demo of this capability and then come back with a call to action. My name is Steve Kahn. I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager in the Dynamics 365 group at Microsoft, and I'm joined by my colleague, Chandrika.
Hi, folks. My name is Chandrika Shankar-Narayan, and I'm the Group Product Manager for Engagement Insights within the Business Application Group.
Great. Thanks very much. So the capability that we're focusing on today, it really revolves around data. If you're an organization, you have customers. Now, maybe you may have members or you have constituents, but generically, let's just call all these customers. And they interact with your organization. They interact with your website. They may use your mobile app to interact with you. And if you have a physical location or locations, they may connect to your Wi-Fi hotspots or use your point of sale system or use a kiosk. So you may collect all of this data. The question is, what do you do with this data? How do you use this data to understand how your customers are interacting with your organization? And more importantly, how do you use the data to understand how they would like to interact with your organization and how they would like your organization to interact with them? How do you understand why they take the certain actions they do? For example, why they abandon a shopping cart sometimes and not at other times. How do you use this data to drive loyalty, both customers to your organization and reciprocating your organization to your customers? Well, this scenario is exactly what the Engagement Insights capability in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights was built to solve. To collect this data in real time and report it out to you. There's very, very valid point to just reporting out this data, but also providing you analysis and insight into the why of these activities. As they say, a picture speaks 1,000 words. So I will turn things over to my colleague Chandrika to actually walk you through some demos of Engagement Insights capability. Chandrika.
Thank you, Steve. Let me give you a little bit of an introduction for what Engagement Insights is all about. Engagement Insights has two key tenets, two key value props. Firstly, we want to enable organizations to understand interactively how their customers are using their services and products, both individually and holistically, through the various journey touchpoints, including modalities like websites, mobile apps, connected products, and point of sale touchpoints. The second key value proposition is to leverage the solid foundation of customer insights and the Dynamics ecosystem to enable organizations to combine behavioral analytics together with transactional, demographic, survey, and other types of data to create interactive and rich insights that help drive the next best actions and personalized experiences. Now, before I go into a demo, I want to spend a few minutes talking through the capabilities that we're bringing to bear for our public preview that's coming up in October. First and foremost, as with any digital analytics solution, we want to make sure that customers are able to get started quickly and instrument their website in seconds to gain real-time insights. That's the first key scenario that we're bringing to bear. Customers can use the out-of-the-box reports to quickly access your site's key metrics, things like size of your audience, how many visits they make, how many pages they view, which sites refer traffic to your site, identify your site's highest performing pages, as an example, both in terms of pages viewed as well as elements clicked, understanding specific site visitor attributes, things like technology preferences, your operating system's browsers, devices, etc., as well as geographic locations. Also see how many visits your site visitors make, as well as how long those visits last. So these are extremely useful and valuable, but also core to a digital analytics solution. Thirdly, for custom measurement and analytics and analysis scenarios, use Custom Report Builder to curate the exact views that you require to answer the business questions at hand. Things like building visualizations based on the necessary metric, dimension, and segment combinations. You can also save these views if required and dive deeper into the available data and generate insights using our Custom Reports Builder. Next, using funnel reports to really understand your customer journeys and quickly flag gaps and opportunities to drive the next best actions. So using funnel reports to understand how well your site audience progresses through the various steps of a process and to identify the largest points of drop off or failure, for example. And equipped with this data, you can then inform your site or content or process owners on the potential optimization and process improvement efforts, etc. Lastly, but very importantly, seamlessly integrate with customer insights and bring data from multiple channels, behavioral, transactional, demographic, to be able to drive rich interactive analytics. So you can bring data from across these channels and be able about things like customer profiles, customer activities, and be able to view reports that cross web activities and customer profiles and activities. What this does is it empowers our customers to understand the demographic and geographic distribution of their users together with the behavior of these users on their modalities of choice, whichever that might be, website or mobile app, etc. Also be able to see out-of-box reports of your customer profiles that comes from customer insights and interactively analyze the current composition of those profiles, but also a change in composition over time together with the behavior of the users on your site. And of course, you can create custom reports, analyzing those website activities together with the unified transactional activities captured from customer insights, all in Engagement Insights. So with that introduction, I want to do a demo walkthrough that showcases some of these capabilities. But as a preamble to the demo, I'm going to give a quick introduction. I'm going to use one of our key customer scenarios to showcase some of these capabilities. Campari, a key customer of Customer Insights, wants to promote one of their brands, Aperol, a classic Italian bitter, to drive loyalty and advocacy across their target audience of social connectors. What they've done prior to this demo, prior to this use of Engagement Insights, is they've collected customer data and brand interest for Aperol through an event they hosted a few months ago. Campari stores this customer profile data created from multiple data sources, things like event booking, marketing app, social media, event check-in, etc., in Customer Insights. So all that data resides in Customer Insights. Now they run a campaign to do a promotion for Aperol for this subset of targeted audience on their Aperol website. So in order to do all of this and gain insights, they use Engagement Insights with that particular campaign. So what we're doing is they're using Engagement Insights to add their campaign code on the destination URL, and Engagement Insights uses that to be able to do the analysis. So here they are in Engagement Insights. They can create a very quick web project and be able to instrument their particular page they want to instrument for how they're and to understand their users' behaviors. As soon as they're done with that, very quickly they can start to see data flowing into Engagement Insights. They can start to track active visitors, page view trends, top referring domains, top pages, visitors across all the different parts of the globe, etc., which gives them very quick insights on how their users are working through their websites, behaving through their different pages of their website as they land into the Aperol campaign page. So the next thing they do, they can also look at visitors over time as the visitors, as their users visit their website across the different pages as well. The thing that they're most interested in, of course, is to be able to track their visitors and the specific page views and signups for this campaign. Tracking code report will tell them how many times customers came through to this page and allow Campari to filter all tracking codes that send traffic to the Aperol campaign page, as you can see. Next thing they want to do is they want to be able to subset their customers to the ones that came through their landing page and then eventually signed up for this promotion. In order to do that, they use the funnel report in Engagement Insights. So they pick funnel report and they start to collect data for the various steps in the funnel that they want to track. Firstly, all the users that came through to the Aperol website. And the second thing that you start to see is now they've started to filter down to the landing page for the campaign and the signups. As you can see, 1,760 users have come through to the Aperol page, of which 704 customers or users have actually signed up. And that is about 40% of the users that have come through. Now they know through this filter report that 60% of the users that came through to their website did not sign up for whatever reason for the Aperol campaign. Now they have an action that they can take with this data. They take this data to customer insights, which is possible through the integration between engagement insights and the customer insights offering, to be able to map the customer behavior to the specific users and create a specific profile and a segment in customer insights, and be able to then retarget an email, if you will, to those users to be able to entice them into coming up to sign up for their Aperol campaign. So in summary, using a combination of rich interactive analytics and engagement insights, as well as the seamless integration with customer insight to be able to view customer profile information together with behavioral data, Campari is able to gain deep understanding of their customer profiles and their behaviors to drive personalization and achieve their business goals for brand loyalty with their customers. So in summary, Dynamics Customer Insights, Engagement Insights capability allows organizations to understand interactively how your customers are using your products, your websites, and both individually as well as holistically. It enables organizations to combine the behavioral data that you see in your modalities along with transactional and demographic customer data to be able to create richer insights that then help drive the next best action and personalized experiences for your business. So try out our public preview releasing at the end of October. We also have a GA, general availability of the product, coming up during the first half of calendar 2020. Over to you, Steve.
Great. Thank you very much, Chandrika. That was a fantastic view of the capabilities that your team is building and some really exciting stuff for customers, especially those who are already using customer insights to be able to benefit from. So as Chandrika mentioned, we'd love for you to visit our customer insights page to learn more about this engagement insights capability. I've got the short URL there, aka.ms/D365CI. That'll take you to our customer insights page, and you'll see a blade for engagement insights. And while you're there, there's a link to sign up to be notified when that public preview is available. As Chandrika mentioned, it's targeted for the end of October 2020. So if you're there beforehand, sign up. We'll let you know when it's ready for you. And if you're viewing this after the fact, you can sign right up and start using Engagement Insights capability public preview. Thanks again for your time and information watching this video. Thanks to my colleague Chandrika for a great demo, and look forward to seeing you all having success with Engagement Insights.